Having a clean air filter is definitely a crucial part to a race bike and a race program, because no matter how much work you do on and off the motorcycle, if you don't have a clean air filter, then your bike is not going to run properly. It's not going to run clean, it's not going to run efficient, and it's just an uphill battle from there. Having a clean air filter is a very crucial part of the motorcycle, just as crucial as having gas in your motorcycle.